Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, screenshots are not being saved in Pictures folder Windows 10 fix. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H-key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Explorer. Click and expand user shell folders. Right-click New String Value. Copy string from description and paste it. Copy value data from description and paste it. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.